If you've ever worked in a warehouse, you know the feeling. Loading a truck isn't just about moving boxes. It's a puzzle you have to solve every single day. Well, in this explainer, we're diving into a powerful new tool in TBO4 that's designed to give you the perfect solution every single time.
Yeah, think about it. Every day, warehouse teams all over the world are playing this high-stakes game of Tetris. Except here, the consequences are real. A wrong move can cost you time, it can cost you money. But what if you knew the perfect way to stack everything before you even started? So let's get real about this challenge. You've got dozens of deliveries, all with different shapes and sizes. Trying to plan that out by hand is a serious headache. Because in the world of logistics, we all know that every single inch and every single pound really counts. And that headache, it has some pretty real costs. All that wasted space means extra trips, which cost a fortune in fuel and time. The hours you spend just trying to plan the load, that's time you're not shipping. And don't even get me started on the risk of overloading. That's a huge safety and compliance nightmare. It's all just guesswork, right? And even the best, most experienced planners can't get it 100% perfect every time.
Okay, but what if we could just get rid of the guesswork? What if we could replace all that estimation with pure precision? Well, the days of inefficient packing and just hoping for the best are over. There is a much smarter way to solve this daily puzzle.
Let me introduce you to the SEA Rates load calculator. And the best part is, it's now fully integrated right into your TBO4 system. You know, you should think of this less like a feature and more like an intelligent partner for your warehouse team, one that's designed to turn all that guesswork into precise, actionable data.
So how does it actually work? Well, it's pretty clever. Put simply, TBO4 takes all your delivery information and sends it over to the SEA Rates engine. That engine then crunches all the numbers and figures out the absolute most efficient loading strategy. What you get back is something called a stuffing plan. It's a perfect 3D model that shows you exactly how every single item should be packed. No more guessing.
Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complicated, but what's truly powerful here is how incredibly simple this is to use. You can generate a complete, optimized loading plan in just 3 super straightforward steps, right inside the TBO4 interface you already use every day.
It really is this simple. First, you pick the deliveries for the truck run. Second, you choose your gear, the container and pallet type. And third, you click Generate Report. That's it. 3 clicks and you've got a perfect plan. Let's actually jump in and see what that looks like inside TBO4.
Okay, so here we are on the load truck screen, which should look very familiar to you. Step 1 is a breeze. You just select the dock nums for this particular run. This tells the system exactly which items need to end up on this truck. Simple enough, right?
Next up, step 2. You're going to notice a couple of new drop-down menus right here. All you do is select your predefined container size and the type of pallet or skid you're using. This is crucial because it makes sure the plan is perfectly tailored to the actual equipment you're working with.
And now for the final step, the magic button. You just click Retrieve Cargo Report, and that's it. With that one click, TBO4 does all the heavy lifting, all the complex calculations in the background, and boom, it instantly gives you your perfect loading plan. And this is the payoff. After just one click, you get to see the complete solution to that loading puzzle before a single box has even been moved. Let's take a look at the actual report it generates, because this is really cool.
Look at this. The system gives you this amazing, fully interactive 3D preview. You can literally see exactly where every single carton should be placed to maximize your space and to make sure the weight is distributed correctly. This isn't just a suggestion. It becomes the definitive loading guide for your entire team.
And hey, this awesome plan isn't just trapped on your computer screen. The system also generates a downloadable PDF. You can print this out, hand it directly to your drivers, give it to the warehouse crew. Now everybody is working from the exact same optimized blueprint. It's just so practical.
So at this point, you're probably asking, how do I get this turned on? Well, for any system administrators watching, I've got some great news. Getting this up and running for your whole team is just a simple one-time setup. All you have to do is navigate to the SEA Rates load calculator settings inside TBO4. Find this field right at the top, Enabled SEA Rates Load Calculator. Flip that switch to yes, and you're done. Seriously, that's it. The feature will now be live on the load truck screen for all of your users.
So here's the bottom line, the big takeaway. This tool completely transforms truck loading. It's no longer an estimation game, it's a science.
With the SEA Rates load calculator built right into TBO4, you completely eliminate the guesswork. You gain the power to load every single truck perfectly.
This integration brings a whole new level of precision, efficiency, and, let's not forget, safety to your entire warehouse operation. So really, the only question left to ask is, are you ready to finally take the guesswork out of loading for good?